Hello friends, welcome to our channel Max in Simple. Here we are seeing trigonometric chapter of SSC Max Telangana in that exercise 11.4 seventh problem. So let's start. What he gives, prove that sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So here we have to prove that if we solve sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square, we should get this answer is saying when we solve this LHS part, we should get this RHS is he is saying we should get as 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So first of all, we will write what he gave in the LHS part. We are writing that, okay. Sin A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square. We are writing it as it is, okay. Next, it is looking like how say it is looking like A plus B whole square. It is like that only, no? A plus B whole square. So since we know that A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So this formula we are using there, okay. So here first of all, what is A? We will write here with pencil, okay. Here this is sin A is A. Suppose this is A and this is B. So A plus B whole square. So how we can write A square plus B square plus 2AB. So we are writing A square. So what is A here? Sin A is A. So A square means sin square A plus B square is there. So what is B? Cosecant A. So cosecant square A plus 2AB is there. So 2 we are writing. Next A is sin A. Sin A. B is cosecant A. Next what we are doing here, plus is there, we are writing plus. It is also looking like A plus B whole square. So for this also we are using the same formula, A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay, so here also we are using that formula only. Here cos A is A, here secant A is B. So we are writing here A square is cos square A plus B square means what? Secant. B is here secant A. So we are writing secant square A plus 2AB. So 2 we are writing A is what? Cos A. Next B is secant A. So we are writing secant A. Next equal to. Next what we are doing? We are writing this sin square A as it is. Next what we are doing after writing this sin A, we are writing this cos square A. So we are writing here cos square A. Next what we are doing? We are writing plus cosecant square A. Next plus is there, we are writing plus 2 sin A. We are writing as it is 2 sin A. Next cosecant A is here, is there, no? So we can write cosecant A is reciprocal of sin A, which we have learned previously, that cosecant A is reciprocal of sin A. So in place of cosecant A we are writing 1 by sin A, since we know that cosecant A is reciprocal. Cosecant A equal to 1 by sin A. This one we know. This which we have learned previously. This is the formula. Cosecant A equal to 1 by sin A. So in place of this cosecant A, we are using this formula. So what we are writing in place of this cosecant A, we are writing 1 by sin A. Next plus is this cos A square A we wrote here. Before only we wrote, okay. So we are not writing once again because we wrote here, okay. Next plus secant square A is there, we are writing secant square A. Next plus is there, we are writing plus 2 is there, we are writing 2 cos A as it is. Secant A is there. So we know that secant A is also what? A reciprocal of cos A. So since why? Because it is also the formula which we have learned. Secant A is equal to what? Secant A equal, how we can write secant A equal to 1 by cos A. This is the formula which we have learned previously. Okay, secant A is reciprocal of cos. So in place of this secant A, what we are writing? 1 by cos A. So here in place of this secant A, we are writing 1 by cos A because it is the formula which we have seen. Cosecant A is there means we can write it as 1 by sin A. Anywhere secant A is there, we can write 1 by cos A. That only we are using here, okay. First what we did, we wrote this sin square A as it is. Next what we did, sin square A we wrote here as it is. Next what we did, we wrote this cos A first. After sin A we wrote this cos square A here, okay. Next, what we did, we wrote as it is. Plus is there, we are writing plus. Cosecant square A, we wrote. Next, plus is there, we wrote plus. 2 is there, we wrote 2. Sin A is there, we wrote sin A. Next, in place of this cosecant A, what we can write? Cosecant A is equal to 1 by sin A. This is the formula. So, we wrote in place of this cosecant A, we are writing 1 by sin A. See, 1 by sin A we wrote. Next, this one we wrote, no? This one we wrote here. So, we are not writing it, okay? This is over. This one we wrote here, okay? So next, what is there? Plus secant square A is left. So we are writing plus secant square A. Next, what is there? Plus is there. Plus 2 cos A. We wrote 2 cos A. Secant A is there. So in place of secant A, we know that secant A equal to 1 by cos A. This is the formula that secant A is reciprocal of 1 by reciprocal of cos. So we can write secant A equal to 1 by cos A. So in place of this secant A, we are writing 1 by cos A. Okay. Next, we will move. First, we will rub. First we are rubbing. Okay, up to here I think you have understood. Next what we are doing, this sin square A we are writing as it is, plus cos square A we are writing as it is, plus cosecant square A we are writing as it is. Next, plus 2 sin A, 1 by sin A we are writing as it is, plus secant square A. Next, plus 2 cos A, 1 by cos A we are writing as it is. Okay, here sin A and this sin A are getting cancelled because they both are same, no? Here this cos A and this cos A getting cancelled because they both are also same. Okay. Next, what we are doing here, sin square A plus cos square A is there. So this is the first identity. You know, we know that sin square A plus cos square A is 1. Since it is first identity, since sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1, this is the first identity. So in place of sin square A plus cos square A, we are writing 1. In place of this, we are writing 1. Next, plus is there, we wrote plus. Cosecant square A, we wrote as it is. Plus 2 is there because they both get cancelled, means 2 will be left. So 2 we wrote as it is. Next, plus secant square A is there. So we wrote plus secant square A. Plus 2 only left because these both cos A get cancelled, means plus 2 only left. So plus 2 we wrote. Next, what we are doing, we are adding these numbers we are writing. Okay. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So we wrote here 5 plus cosecant square A we wrote. Next, plus secant square A we wrote. Okay. First of all, we have added this 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 we wrote plus cosecant square A we wrote as it is, plus secant square A we wrote. Next, what we are doing here, secant square is there plus cosecant square is cosecant square A is there plus secant square is there. So here we are using the identity. So what identity we are using? Third identity, that we know that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is the third identity. Okay. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. This is third identity. So we are putting this cosecant square theta as it is. Cosecant square theta we are putting here as it is and sending this cot square theta to another side. So what we will get, equal to, here 1 is there, we are writing 1 as it is. It is going to another side. So here it is in minus. So here it will become plus cot square theta. Okay. So in place of this cosecant square A, we are writing what we can write. We are writing this 1 plus cot square theta. So here we wrote 1 plus cot square A. Here theta is there, but here angle is A, no? So we can write here A. Any angle it can be, but this cosecant or cot, it should be there. We can use any angle, but this trigonometric ratio should be same. Cosecant means cosecant only. Cosecant square A can be there. Cot square A can be there. Theta can change, but this trigonometric ratio should be same. Okay. Next, plus we are writing as it is, plus secant square is there, we are writing plus secant square A. Next, 5 plus 1, how much it will become? 6. So we wrote here 6 plus cot square A we are writing as it is. Next, here what we are doing, here also we are using what identity, secant square is there. So we are using second identity. Why? Because secant square will come in second identity now. So we are writing secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. This is second identity which we are using. Okay. So we are putting here secant square theta as it is, equal to 1 is there, we are writing 1 plus tan square theta, because this minus tan square theta when it comes to this side, another side it will become plus, because here it is minus, now going to another side it will become plus. So plus tan square theta. So in place of secant square theta, what we can write? 1 plus tan square theta. So we are writing 1 plus tan square A, because here A is there, no angle is A. Angle can be changed, ma'am, but this trigonometric ratio should be same. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We can say what? Secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. We can say no problem, okay? But this trigonometric ratio should be same. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So how much we will get? 6 plus 1, how much? 7. So we wrote 7. Next, what we are doing? We are writing this tan square A first. So we are writing plus tan square A. Next, plus cot square is A. So we are writing plus cot square A. So hence we got what he said. We have got LHS part. We have got RHS part. We got, sorry. Okay. Once we will check what is the RHS part. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. That only we got 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So therefore LHS equal to RHS. So we have proof. Sine of A, sine A plus cosecant A whole square plus cos A plus secant A whole square equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. We have got, hence we have proof. If you have doubt, please comment in the comment box. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you very much.